In this video, we will discuss the applications of graph data structure. So, graph is a non-linear data structure which consists of vertices. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E are nothing but vertices, and these vertices are connected by edges. Okay, where edges may be directed or undirected. Okay, this is an example of undirected edges. So, in computer science, graphs are used to represent the flow of computations. Major applications of this graph data structure are like Google Maps. So, Google Maps uses graphs for building transportation system, where intersection of two roads are considered to be a vertices. Okay, for example, these are the vertices. Okay, these are nothing but intersection of two roads, and the roads connecting two vertices is considered to be an edge. Thus, their navigation system is based on the algorithm to calculate the shortest path between two vertices. For example, if you would like to find out the shortest path from this A to E, you have to find out the shortest path. Okay, if this graph is weighted, then you can find out the shortest path. In Facebook, user are considered to be the vertices. Okay, and if they are friends, then there is an edge running between them. So, Facebook's friend suggestion algorithm uses this graph theory. So, and Facebook is an example of undirected graph. Another application is in World Wide Web. So, web pages are considered to be vertices. There is an edge from a page U to other page V if there is a link of a page V on page U. So you must have observed there are a collection of topics or indices on the main page, and if you just click on one of the topic, it will it will direct it to the another detailed page. So if there is a connectivity from page U to page V, then we may consider that there is an edge between U and V. So this is an example of directed graph. So World Wide Web and this concept of page is an example of directed graph. So, and it was the basic idea behind the Google page ranking algorithm. And one more application is in operating system. So if we come across the resource allocation graph, where each process and resources are considered to be vertices, and edges are drawn from resources to the allocated process, or from requesting process to the requested resource. So if this leads to any information of a cycle, then deadlock will occur. So if you are aware about this subject, operating system, then only you can understand this application of graph in data structure. So that's all about the major applications of a graph, and there are many more applications of a graph data structure. Okay, now you can map to any application.